Stella Rakai? Hey, Rashopo. Dumela. Welcome back to Sona class. That's it, Rashopo. Make it a wiki bus to an affair. I can't about a lot of the wiki bus to an hotel and a Goshopo. Goshopo. Stella Rakai. Rako. Rakai.
Goshopo.
Good. Hey, can we just call Hey, teammates. So the halas asitsa bokolwana.
She wants to hear the music, honey.
Yeah, the halas asitsa bokolwana ke tsa matho. Ke boloa ke matho.
And we're done.
At the light, turn right onto West Shelton Avenue.
Hey, renze re mo tseleng re mo leeto re a shopo. Stella Rakai? Shopo. Hey, ra shopo. O ka tswa Roberts. Rakai?
Goshopo.
Re a shopo. So
Everybody gotta blow up. Mama gotta blow up. Baby gotta blow up.
At the light, turn left onto Chew Avenue.
Lady, don't jaywalk in the green light. Come on. Maybe one of them dresses, but it'll be too revealing.
In half a mile, turn right onto East Washington Lane.
I hope they didn't put their Easter candy away.
Because that's why we're going.
Keep left onto East
re
Washington
ntse
Lane.
re a shopo. Re mo tseleng ra shopo. Hey, shopo ya kgakala mo maso. E kgakala to. Stella Rakai? Stella Rakai? Shopo. Rakai?
In 1.4 miles,
Go
turn
Shopo.
left.
Sa tsena Setswana se motlhofo.
Babe, go home.
That would be nice.
Ain't nobody mad but the devil. Hey, hey, hey.
$100 a year?
Then turn left into the parking lot.
CBS has a nice place too.
Hey, Big Meg.
Hey, big man.
Arrived.
Re gorogile mo lebentlele. Re tsena mo shopong then Setswana se tabo se fedile. A ke re bye bye. Bye bye.